am Master Seagull, and now I have arrived in Potfield, and I'm gonna destroy it until I roll over it. Ha 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 ha. Is that? Ha 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 ha. I am such an evil guy. No one will stop me. Ha 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 ha.
Hi, I'm Jim Bob.
Hi, I'm Bob Bob. Jim Bob, what do you think we should do? I think the evil seagull is now in Potfield. What do you think we should do, Jim Bob?
I don't know.
Maybe we should try and defeat him.
Yeah, like superheroes.
Yeah, because we're the super puppets.
Super puppets!
Let's go and try to defeat him. Let's go.
The
Puppets made by FIFA Burrito Productions.
We are leaving.
Right, but if we want to defeat the evil guy, we at least have to practice.
Yeah, and
Let's fight each other.
I have a stronger attack because I have teeth.
Yeah, but I have superpowers. Superpower lightning. Let's stop fighting each other. That's sort of hot.
Yep.
Okay, we should try and find the evil seagull.
Yeah.
Let's go to the palace of
Seagulls.
yeah.
At the sea, because they're called seagulls.
Yeah, let's go check at the sea. Come on.
Ha 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 ha. Now I'm at the palace of seagulls in the ocean. They'll never know that I'm here. Unless they're very, very smart. Which they're not. I'm very, very smart. Ha 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 ha. And if they do come to the palace of seagulls, they'll have to face the big burrito. Ha 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 ha. I better go and make sure my big burrito's out ready to kill them.
Jim Bob, maybe if we use a sweet, it'll make him not be able to heal for a few seconds. So then
We can take them out with our sharp teeth and powers.
Let's go.
Take that! We have you now. Okay, I surrender.
Okay, let's eat the burrito. This is the best burrito I've ever had. Sure, it's a nice burrito, Jim Bob.
Yep.
Let's go and defeat Seagull.
Yeah, let's go. Bob.
Jim Bob,
I
why
think
don't we go and wrestle him?
I think we're moving on to the next battle. Giant octopus. We can wrestle him to beat him because I don't think our squeaks will take him down.
Let's try and see, Lo, if our squeaks take him down. You will not get me! Ha 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 ha! Maybe that must be Seagull.
We have to. Maybe Seagull is behind. It's behind the octopus somewhere.
Or maybe there's one more guy, then it's Seagull. That would make sense. The three categories. And his favourite, and I know Seagull's favourite number is 3.
We have to take the last one down to get Seagull.
But this is the second last one. Who could be the last? This is only the second one. Who could be the third? Unless the third is Seagull. Come on, let's go defeat the octopus. For plushy kind. He's very strong. What about? Wee!
I'm talking about that tentacle.
Now that he's out. Now that he's out, we should probably go to the next activity.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Bob. I think it's a dragon with fire powers.
We're moving on to the next activity. So that means it's this one, then it's seagull.
We could use our squeaks because I think he can hear, not like octopus. I think octopus didn't have ears.
Okay, let's try. Ah! Stop! You're using your squeaks!
He's taken out. Now what should we do, Jim Bob? Jim Bob, now what should we do? Jim Bob. We have to move on.
Let's go defeat Seagull. Come on, for plushie kinds.
For plushie kind
And puppet kind. One small step for plushie kinds. One big leap for
puppets.
and also for Putt Street. Let's go!
I think Seagull's sitting on his throne. We could maybe use our squeaks and then I'll go for the legs and you go for the beak.
No, we shouldn't. We should take him to the police. Actually, your idea is a pretty good idea because then it means...
Because then we can take him to the police. Because he'll be too powerful and then get out.
But he won't be. But his guard, the evil crocodile. Look, he's here.
Hello there. You will not be taking Seagull out just now, Jim Bob. And Bob. That was easy enough.
Yep, much easier.
Right, I'll go in for the head, you go in for the beak.
But we have to make him deaf first.
Stop it! He's on the ground now. You not got me yet, Seagull! Suckers! Thank you. This is a nice chicken dinner. Right, let's take him to the authorities. That's your jail cell now, Seagull.
Get on that jail cell.
Get on the jail cell. It's my phone you've used.
Yeah, we've built bars on it.
Goodbye.
Eat it.
He was
tasty.
but not as tasty as the dragon.
And burrito.
Let's go.
Voice actors from Jim Bob. Play voice made by Callan.
And Bob, voice made by Ethan. And this movie was presented to you by FIFA Burrito Productions. The Puppets! Series coming soon.